Welcome to the concluding section of our computer science course. Throughout this journey, we've explored the fascinating world of computer science, delving into various topics that form the backbone of this ever-evolving field. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Recap of computer science topics. As we recap our journey, remember that we started with the fundamentals, laying the foundation of computer science. We dived into programming, learned about data structures and algorithms, explored databases, and ventured into the realms of web development. We also uncovered the secrets of operating systems, delved into computer networks, and discovered the principles of software engineering. Along the way, we encountered the incredible potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we peered into the future of emerging technologies. Importance of computer science in the future. Computer science isn't just about understanding the present. It's about preparing for the future. Its importance in shaping the future cannot be overstated. Consider this. It's the driving force behind innovation, powering the development of technologies that tackle global challenges. It's at the heart of digital transformation, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. Computer science enables data-driven decision-making and automation, reshaping our world in profound ways. The advancements in AI and machine learning are creating possibilities we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. Career opportunities in computer science. As you've seen, a computer science education opens doors to a world of exciting career opportunities. You can become a software developer, creating the applications that shape our digital lives, or perhaps a data scientist, unraveling complex data to drive decision-making. Network engineers build and maintain our communication infrastructures, while web developers craft the online experiences we enjoy every day. Cybersecurity experts protect us from digital threats, and machine learning engineers lead the charge in AI development. The possibilities are vast, making the computer science background a valuable asset. We'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks to you for joining us on this educational journey. Your engagement and curiosity have been our driving force. If you found this course informative and valuable, we encourage you to support us by liking this video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing to our channel. Your involvement fuels our motivation to continue creating educational content for curious minds like yours. Congratulations on completing this computer science course. We wish you the best of luck in all your future endeavors. Continue to explore, innovate, and thrive in the world of computer science. Thank you for being a part of our community, and remember, the future of computing is in your hands.